Pathfinders, you can be part of one of the most exciting youth events in the world. The 2014 Forever Faithful International Pathfinder Camporee will take place August 12 through 16, 2014 in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Come play, learn, and worship with 35,000 Pathfinders from over 100 countries. Come participate in daily parades with thousands of people. Come earn any of over 100 honors. Come enjoy exciting live events. Come cheer on the Pathfinder drill and march teams or perform with your team. Come trade pins with Pathfinders from all over the world. Come witness exciting live evening programs featuring the story of Daniel. Come make new friends and develop a closer relationship with Jesus. God is looking for young people who will be forever faithful to Him. You are that chosen generation. Come join a movement of young people who will shake the world with their love for Jesus Christ.
It'll change your life. It's been the best week of my life.
I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.
The opportunity of a lifetime.
Go, you have to go. You're going to love it.
Remember, the International Pathfinder Camporee only happens once every 5 years. Don't miss it. August 2014. See you in Oshkosh.